secondary circuit. A cell connected in secondary circuit we'll call ES. I think what he did is he has replaced, in the second case, zero deflection is observed at length PG equal 10 cm. What is the resistance R? Some different situation he has brought it. First case, the resistance R will be there as usual, no? For the measurement of resistance by potentiometer is shown. So what we are doing is we have to calculate this resistance R. So earlier what when we are bothered about internal resistance, no? Can I use this circuit to measure the unknown resistance or resistance? Sir, already we have Wheatstone network. It's, even with potentiometer, we can measure external resistance. This is the basic idea. We can measure the external resistance. No, I think I'll just put the diagram. I'll split up the diagram so that will be easy for you. This is a standard primary cell. You call EPRP. This particular instrument is called as a rheostat, where you can have variable resistance. So this is the potentiometer circuit, potentiometer wire. PJ 30 centimeter. PQ. First what will happen? In second case, the secondary cell is changed. The first what happen, I'll keep the secondary cell like this. So how much this is? 10 volt. Then 1 ohm. Call E1 R1. We have length this L1. Okay, one more circuit. EP, this is RP, this is A, this is Q. This is L2. This will be 5 volt. This is 2 ohm. This will be our circuit here. So call this is J. Now this will be, say J1, you call it J2. With this information, can we find out the value of R? How to get that one? So we don't have information of primary, no? Only thing is we know length L1, L2. L1 is how much? L1 is 30 centimeter. L2 is 10 centimeter. And we know EMFs. So what it will read now? So it will have some standard EMF, no? This will be, so I'll do one thing. The internal resistance is 1 ohm to some standard EMF. So shall I write E1? Yes, it will be E1 by terminal voltage. Terminal voltage will be how much? I into the same current will flow. I think if you draw two circuits, at least you'll get an idea what to do with this one. The current will be the same, no? There's no problem because the current through galvanometer is 0. You take like this. So what is the current through galvanometer? 0. Here also 0. But there'll be a flow of current. There'll be some current flows here. I dash. Got this idea? So what it will read now, so what all you read it, this will be A, B you call A1, B1, this will be A2, B2. Looking at this diagram, what Pj1 should be equal to, Pj1 should be equal to A1, B1, not equal to applied EMF. So I think directly you can write E1, this will be V A1, B1 minus 1 into R. And this is what? R1. This is the formula. Similarly, looking at this circuit, what is R2? R2 is this one. R2, this is E2. So what is R2 should be equal to E2 into VA2 B2 minus 1 into R. R will not change. R remains same. Look at this. The R will not change. Okay, do we know E1? Yes, E1, E2 are given, but we don't know this terminal voltage. No, what to do for terminal voltage? I'm looking at the first circuit. What is the terminal voltage? BA1, B1 should be equal to I lambda into L1. Then similarly, VA2, B2 should be equal to I lambda into L2. So what all we know even that I lambda and this is R is there. So can we solve for I lambda? Yes. After getting I lambda, again substitute. So what are unknown things? I lambda and R. We have this set of equations. So here dividing these two. First dividing these two, calculate I lambda. Then again substitute I lambda in any one of the equation. You get the required answer. So R1 by R2 is equal to E1 Okay, we know all the values except I lambda. So that I lambda can be determined now. So after getting I lambda, come and substitute in any one equation. Then you get the value of R. So we can also determine here what? External resistance. This is something very important. Potentiometer. Can we use potentiometer to determine external resistance? The answer is yes. Anybody value R?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay, fine. Yeah, good. This is in books, it's not available. So what our books confined, just only confined potentiometer can be used to measure the EMF and internal resistance of cell. No, we can also determine external resistance. Of course, we do have other instrument. Still, I can go for measurement of resistance by potentiometer.